Have you ever tried a lot of face masks, face packs, face oils, serums, and even lot of face moisturizers and cold creams just to treat your dry skin, but still suffering from dry and flaky skin? Then no worries, today I have all the solutions to your problems. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Here I have a two-step solution to your problem, and now for the first part, that is for a face pack, I'm using half a teaspoon of besan and half a teaspoon of Kasturi Haldi. Now if you don't have Kasturi Haldi, then you can definitely work with the turmeric that is used in cooking. And now I have taken 1 teaspoon of malai or cream of milk. Malai is just like a magic for dry and flaky skin, so if you are suffering from that problem, then you should definitely incorporate it in your skincare routine. And now for the application, I have cleansed my face and I am just going to apply the face pack with my hands only, and you should apply a very thick layer of it. The more you suffer from dry skin, the more quantity of the malai you can use. And as you can see, I have applied it, and now I will keep it until it dries, and then you can see how much clean and clear my face is looking with just the first application. Now for the second step, I have taken half teaspoon of malai and 1/4 teaspoon of fresh orange juice. Make sure to use a fresh orange juice and not the market based orange juice, because it contains a lot of preservatives and chemicals. And I'll be mixing the two ingredients together. And next what I have to do is just to cut the malai into small pieces, because we have to apply it, and as you can see, I have made it into a very smooth type of a solution, a homogeneous solution. And next I'll apply it on my face. If you follow this two-step religiously for about 2 to 3 days, or even from your very first application, then also you can see the result. So after applying the face pack, I'm directly applying it onto my skin. I will let it dry completely, and you can even massage your face for about 1 or 2 minutes with this. And here you can see that how much my skin is glowing and how much soft it has become after this two-step method. So you should definitely give it a try, and you will not be disheartened with the results. And do let me know in the comment section if you are also getting benefited from it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.